Hello everyone, in this video we will solve this question. These questions were recently asked in CBSE exam. Therefore makes these questions important. So let's solve these questions one by one. So in the first question, function is given to you and we have to prove an equation, a differential equation. So the function is y equal to root over tan root x. ये function है. So to prove the equation, let's find dy by dx. So इस फंक्शन को हम डायरेक्टली डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं करेगा बिकॉज बाय स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड हम फंक्शन को रिड्यूस कर सकता एंड उसके बाद डिफरेंशिएशन करने पर इजीली इक्वेशन आ जाएगा. इसीलिए फर्स्ट वी विल टेक स्क्वायर ऑन बोथ साइड. सो इफ आई डू स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड सो वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू रूट ओवर tan रूट एक्स होल स्क्वायर एंड ये स्क्वायर रूट एंड स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाएगा. देयरफॉर राइट हैंड साइड में क्या रिमेनिंग रहेगा tan रूट एक्स एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में y square. Now we will differentiate this equation. इस equation को differentiation करना easy पड़ेगा. Now let's differentiate on both side. So d by dx of y square is equals to d by dx of tan root y. Sorry, root x. Let's differentiate on both side with respect to x. So on left hand side we are differentiating y square with respect to x. सो वाई स्क्वायर को हम एक्स स्क्वायर एज्यूम करेगा, मतलब वाई को एक्स एज्यूम करके डिफरेंशिएशन करेगा. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज 2x इनटू वाई को हम एक्स एज्यूम किया था, सो इनटू dy by dx डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y with respect to x equals to, we have formula for derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. इसीलिए we will assume root x as x. So derivative of tan x is sec स्क्वायर एक्स इनटू, सो रूट एक्स को एक्स एज्यूम किया था, सो इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट एक्स विच इज 1/2 रूट एक्स. सो दिस इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan root x. So now we will multiply this 2y in the denominator. So the equation will become dy by dx is equals to sec square root x by 2 into 2 will become 4 into y root x. 4y root x. Now हम root x को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड मल्टीप्लाई कर सकता. So this will become root x into dy by dx equals to sec square root x by 4 into y. Now what is 1 plus tan square theta? 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So here root x को हम theta assume कर सकता, तो sec square theta को हम लिख सकता 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta divided by 4y and on left hand side root x into dy by dx है. Now we can substitute tan square root x. इसके जगह हम substitute कर सकता. So यहाँ पे हम already निकाल लिया था y square is equals to tan root x. So let me take that equation. Y square is equals to tan root x. Now इसको अगर स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड करते हैं हम लोग तो मेरे को मिलेगा y power 4 equal to tan square root x. So that means tan square root x is y power 4. So इसके जगह पे हम y power 4 लिख सकते. So equals to 1 plus y power 4 divided by 4y and on left hand side root x into dy by dx. So this was the equation that was asked to prove. So this is how you solve this type of question. So we will solve one more question from derivatives which was asked in previous year. So in this question again we have to verify an equation and for that a function is given and function है y equal to root over ax plus b. ये function दिया हुआ है. So to prove the equation first we will find dy by dx, then we will find d square y by dx square. So उससे पहले I will reduce this function. So I can do square on both side. So equation क्या बन जाएगा, y square equals to root over ax plus b whole square. ये बन जाएगा and root over ax plus b का whole square will be ax plus b. So basically y square is ax plus b. Now we will differentiate on both sides and we will find dy by dx. So let's differentiate. So d by dx of y square is equals to d by dx of ax plus b. So again इसको हम x कंसिडर करेगा y को and x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता 2x into y को x एज्यूम किया था, so y का derivative with respect to x will be dy by dx equals to derivative of ax is a plus derivative of b which is constant is 0. So right hand side will become only a, and on left hand side 2y dy by dx. So on differentiating, I got 2y dy by dx equals to a. Now we will differentiate one more time to find d square y by dx square. उससे पहले I can take this 2 in the denominator. So y into dy by dx will become a by 2. Now we will differentiate on both sides. Derivative of y into dy by dx equals to derivative of a by 2 with respect to x. Now here a by 2 is constant, so derivative of a by 2 will be 0. So on right hand side it will be 0. Now यहाँ पे दो functions product में है. Y is a variable and dy by dx is a function. So to differentiate y into dy by dx, we will use product rule क्योंकि यहाँ पे दो functions product में है. So I will consider y as first function and dy by dx as second function and will apply the product rule. So first function into derivative of dy by dx plus second function into derivative of first function, which is y. So I got this equation. D by dx of dy by dx is d square y by dx square into y plus ये क्या dy by dx है, ये भी dy by dx है. So this will become dy by dx whole square equals to 0. So I got this equation. So इसी equation को prove करना था. So this is the solution for the given question. This is how you prove the given equation from the given function. In the next video, we will solve more problems from the previous year question papers. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching this video.